Hey everybody, how's it going? Flying Crow with my Christmas present update. So I haven't done this because my wife was kind enough to order me for Christmas a set of tank cars from Rapido. They were 20,000 gallon tank cars. It was a new set they were coming out. They had a 6-pack of them, which was, and they were just beautiful. I think they were Procor and my era and everything, and that's what she had got me for Christmas. Well, they were supposed to be out October or November time frame, and she never got them, and a couple times she communicated with the hobby shop she bought them through, and then finally it ended up that they weren't going to be released until April. So with that, my wife said, well, you know, take the money and go pick out some other stuff that you want. And so that's what I did. So I got some good stuff, and I'm just going to share those things with you. The first thing is I got 2 Intermountain KCS boxcars. I don't know how well you can see those. And they're both different road numbers, one 1623 and one 1680. Just do a little quick review on them. Take it out of the box. Intermountain's usually got some good, you know, fairly good stuff. So of course it comes in a plastic container. They're always fairly well packed. So here's this is the first one, 1623. And 1680 is exactly like it, except for the road number. So it's a beautiful car. Let me move the camera down, set it on the track here. It'll probably take me just a minute to get on the track, especially since I'm not wearing my glasses. There we go. So, let's check the coupler height on it. So on the B end, that's the end with the brake wheel and all. Check the coupler height, and it is perfect. So I'm sure, the A end is going to be exactly the same way. And it is dead on. I don't know how well you can see that. I'll try to zoom in. But since you're kind of looking over the top of it, but anyway, I can tell you it's dead on. So great cars from Intermountain, 2 different road numbers, and I know I'm going to enjoy those. They'll fit right in. One thing I meant to show you was this is of course they have the COTS label and the ACI label, so already on them. So that is great. So I don't have to worry about doing that, which I do with a lot of cars. I don't. I have to end up putting the COTS label on them and the ACI label and everything. So that's my 2 Intermountain cars that I have. The other things I got 3 tangent hoppers. So 2 of them were MultiFoods air slide hoppers, and I'll be pulling those out in just a second. And the other one's a Producers Grain Corporation out of Amarillo, Texas. So I always like Tangent. They really make quality stuff and very, very highly detailed. So I'll pull the first hopper out, which is a Pullman Standard hopper, Pullman Standard 4740. And I don't usually expect anything to be wrong with these. Beautiful detail on it. Has the Katie scale head couplers on there. I don't know if you could see those. One other good thing is, of course, it comes with the ACI label, so I don't have to worry about that. These are Tangent makes them for specific eras, and this one I believe is produced in 70 rather. So this is a this was built in 1970. The prototype was. So just a beautiful car. You know, if you look at the crossovers that are over the couplers, they're, you know, they're metal crossovers. The brake detail is just incredible on these tangent cars. They're beautiful. They're going to be nice to have on my layout. So, and I've got a few other tangent cars. I'm just so happy with them. The other thing, the other tangent cars, the two MultiFood hoppers, and I'm just going to pull one of those out also. Once again, you know, they seem to be packaged well in the molded clear plastic, along with the little plastic sheet that covers it. So this one is just incredible. First of all, I want you to take a look at the detail that's underneath the brake rigging and stuff like that. Tangent just does a beautiful job. One of the other things that are that's great about Tangent is they've started recently putting on these roller bearing caps. So you can see as the axle rolls, the cap, the roller bearing cap actually rolls along with it. So that's just incredible. Once again, the ACI label and the COTS labels, just a beautiful model. These were produced in June of '74. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, it's on the other end, sorry. Yeah. You can see produced in June of '74. Once again, scale head couplers. Just incredible cars. I'm really going to be proud to have these on my layout. So my wife, I know the Procors, the Rapido Procors would have been great. That is what I had asked for, but since they're not out, you know, being able to buy these is just wonderful. So let me see. Of course, the coupler head's perfect on it, as I would expect out of Tangent. So just beautiful. Last two things I got. I'm up to the point of my layout where I'm getting into where I'm going to build the town. So I was going to need a bridge, and I got the Walthers Cornerstone 30-foot single track girder bridge. And I know, I think I'm going to do a build on this because it's not a hard build, so I think I'm going to do a video on that. Maybe I'll save that for On Track Tuesday, who knows. So, and then of course the bridge abutments, the cement ones will go. I think looking at this 30-foot bridge build, we're gonna, it'll be good for any of Walthers' girder bridges because they do have several lengths. So I think you'll enjoy that. If I don't do it on Track Tuesday, I'll do a video of the build of that bridge and the painting, etc. Anyway, that's it for my train stuff for Christmas. I hope you all have a good evening, and I will be talking to you soon. Thanks.